What's up, YouTube people? This is another video here. I'm at the Lawrenceburg Car Show in Lawrenceburg, Tennessee, the Rotary Club, the Rotary Park. We got a lot of nice, beautiful cars here. There's a 69 dark convertible right here. And we got this beautiful car right here, too. Like a Chevrolet. It's a real nice car here. We got another couple of roadsters here. 1929 Ford. Wow. Look at this motor right here. The 34 Plymouth with a cross ram. Came out probably one of the early Chryslers. Like 60, 61, somewhere around there, but I'm not sure. Here's another one right here. I'm not sure what this one is. That's Chevrolet right here. Chevelle. Come around a little bit. Nice truck right here. Chevrolet right here. I'm not sure what year this one is. Not 51 says so. So 56 Victoria, belongs to a car club member. It's a nice creation right here. 2018. 66 Mustang. Camaro, about 1980 if I'm correct. 55 Chevy. 72 Damon. We got over here is a 58 Impala, which is a bound convertible, which is a barn find. So it's the interior. Dash. This car side the barn from 1964 to 1986. Still has its original paint on it. There's an El Camino right here. It's a nice looking Ford pickup truck right here. It's 1936. There's another Chevelle Super Sport, 1966. It's a Camaro, Corvette. Dodge Challenger. Going by.
I wouldn't have knew you if I'd have met you on the street.
Got a lot of nice cars here. Studebaker Hawk over there. I see something that brings back some memories here. Not the Chevelle, but the car next to it. back memories. Wow. 1960 Impala convertible. This car brings, this one's got a 348 in it. Wow. This brings back memories. My daddy had one of these when I was a little girl. He sold to a cousin's former boyfriend. I think about 2 weeks or 2 weeks later, the car got totaled. I remember Lake Ray Show was rifling one of these off. I bought some tickets. I bought some tickets to win the car, but I didn't win the car. But that's okay. At least I tried. I was trying to bring one of these back to the family. 66 Corvette. I think this one's got a. That one's got a power glide in it. A lot of nice cars here.
Look, this fella right here seeing my damn life. Yeah,
Plymouth right here, about a 47. Another pretty Challenger right here.